Ladies and gentlemen, we have a wonderful band coming up next. Please, everybody, make some noise for sound.
You ready? Started for us, you showed me things that I never saw, and I told you things that you never thought. We were just two lovers caught by the direction of each other's being. But now that we're falling in love, I want you to see exactly what you mean to me. Not letting the world know. It was like yesterday, I stand apart, the two of us about to start, and never thinking how this would end. Just wanted to see you again, but afterward, I love past heart. Some days it makes us bounce straight from my heart. Understand and confess so the world will see that you are my baby. It's all about you. Second verse is for the lovers that be working the magic on each other, making emotions grow closer like us. Says the way you smile that drives me wild, confirmed to be the father of our child. Makes me wanna give the things that I have for you, and just for being you, girl. You earned my spoken truth, yesterday. For seeing the part, the two of us about to start. How this would end, just wanted to see you again. But afterward, I love that part. I'm ready to make a bounce from my heart. Understand and confess so the world can see that you are my lady. you.